Good morning to everybody. Welcome to our second back activity for today, which is the pre-bid conference of eight school building projects. To proceed with the activity, we will request Margie again to have the roll call of attendance.
Good morning. Roll call of attendance for today's private conference, June 14, 2023. Present here with us are BAC Chairman, Engineer Maria Lucia Andrunes, BAC Vice Chairman, Engineer Jovencio F. Pado Jr., BAC members, Engineer Isabelo B. Lopez Jr., Engineer Clyde M. Estrella, Engineer Evelyn G. Kimsaat, Head BAC TWG, Engineer Sherilyn B. Gonzalez, Head BAC Secretariat, Engineer Leoncio S. Abad Jr., BAC TWG, Engineer Mark Anthony Hubutan, Engineer Mark Thomas Sibayan, Engineer Loribet Cipriaso Garcia, Engineer Randolph Villanueva Jr., Ma'am Jessica Ergisa Sagot, representative from construction section, Engineer Marvin Salbosa. BAC Secretariat, Margie A. Avillos Julie, Jennifer Beguas, Jessica Balisnomo, Raven Joy Marquez, Camille Nana, Ranuel J. Gregorio, and Engineer Aniceto Andrade III. Representative
Once again, good morning. Welcome to our second back activity, which is the pre-bid conference that was scheduled for the day June 14, 2023. The projects that were scheduled for the pre-bid conference for today is the 23 EE0080, 23 AE0081, 23 AE0082, 23 AE0083, 23 AE0084, 23 AE0085, 23 AE0086, 23 AE0087, and the last one is 23 AE0088. This pre-bid conference shall be held at these 12 calendar days before the deadline for the submission and receipt of bids, but not earlier than 7 calendar days from the diligence posting of the invitation to bid. This pre-bid conference shall discuss, clarify, explain, and the different aspects of the project of the procuring entity with the prospective bidder, the eligibility requirements, the technical and financial components, including the questions and clarification raised by the prospective bidders before and during the previous conference. The agenda for this previous conference are the following: the brief presentation, information, explanation about the project to be bid, the requirements of bidding the documents, the documents to be submitted by the bidder, the criteria and procedure for the eligibility check, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qualification, and award. The questions and comments from the bidders, the other matters, and the last one is the summary of the proceeding including the ones of the bid, supplemental bid bulletin. The first agenda is to be discussed by Engineer Melvin Zaragosa and Engineer Randolph Villanueva.
For 23, for 23E0080, construction of two-story four classroom school building at Zaragosa Elementary School, Bacnotan, La Union. So, physical target for classrooms, project duration 120 calendar days. Source of fund, DepEd BFF FY 2023. So ABC has evaluated 10,037,062 pesos and 50 centavos. So may big bulletin po siya kasi nag-revise po yung EAW natin yung dumating yung SARO. We have to add 0.875% of the project cost instead of 0.5. For the scope of work, clearing and grabbing, the building is elevated 0.6 meters from NGL. And then the scope of works not included kasi 10 million lang po yung konto niya. Painting works of the entire building, ceiling works at second floor, sa yung tiles po sa CR, yung cistern tank and water pumping system. Although functional naman po yung building. And naipaalam din po sa central ng DepEd kay Ma'am Annabel. So for these quantities or sum of quantities of field office and the project billboards, including OSH, mobilization and demo, removal of obstruction and structure for the demolition works, and then site preparation. So part B, plain and reinforced concrete works for the structural components, and then the rest, finishing works, as well as yung plumbing or sanitary, pati na rin yung electrical included. So here's the project location, located at Zaragosa Elementary School. So ito po yung project site. May inclusion po ng clearing and grabbing. So standard floor plan. So ito po yung magiging perspective niya. Although yung scope of works na included as per discuss kanina, yung painting, ceiling, tile works, yung cistern tank, and water pumping system. Onari. For 23E0081, construction of two-story four classroom school building at Onari National High School, Luna, La Union. Same lang din po. Project duration 120 days. Yung ABC po niya is 10 million lang. So may mga hindi po makakomplete yung building as to finishes and water pumping system. So same din po yung scope of works niya. Ito po yung project site, may demolition po existing for rooms, school facilities. Maalis po siya. So yung po standard plan po yung modified latest 2018. So ito po yung scope of works na hindi rin included, painting works, ceiling works, tile works, cistern tank, and yung water pumping system. For 23EE0082, construction of two-story four classroom school building at San Juan Central Elementary School, San Juan, La Union. So ABC has evaluated for the bid bulletin 13,564,216 pesos and 53 centavos. So complete construction po siya. And it also includes demolition works of existing school building facilities, which is four classrooms. Then elevated din po siya 1.2 meters from natural grade line. Yan. So complete construction po siya. Ito po yung made-demolish. So yung existing na grade line po, yun yung magiging, yung embankment po dyan, yun po yung magiging final na elevation ng building. Standard, may masonry pumping system. So may made-demolish mo na part, yung MAPE building nila, malit naman included din sa program. For 23 EE0086, construction of two-story four classroom school building at Katbangen Elementary School, San Fernando City, La Union. So yung pondo po niya is 15 million pesos. Project duration 120 calendar days. Physical target 4 classrooms and same source of fund. DepEd BFF FY 2023. So scope of work, demolition of existing school building facilities. So complete construction of two-story four classroom school building. Included din po yung cistern tank, pero as per sa site validation, inalisa po ni engineer dito. So installation of water pumping system, and then yung isolated hand washing facility, pati yung CR po, common CR. Then site development works na yung remaining na pera po, yung sa removal and replacement of existing slab or PCC. So yun po yung one, yung same din po yung scope of work niya as per sa standard, nadagdagan lang po ng site development works. Kasi sobra po yung pera. So ito po yung mga made-demolish structures sa Katmangan. So standard plan din po and yung minimum equipment is same as nung nauna. So complete finish, na-complete po yung finishing. Thank you.
Sige, sige. Ah, for 23AE0084, repair rehabilitation of one-story, two classroom school building at Balbalayang National High School. The location is at Barangay Balbalayang, San Gabriel, La Union, with an appropriation cost of 2.932062.07 pesos. As submitted po is 2,917,401.76 pesos. It has a bit bulletin due to change in EAW. The total contract duration will be 85 calendar days. The scope of works for this school building is earthwork, structural works, finishing work and other civil works, electrical work and mechanical work. The mechanical work includes the fire extinguisher for the school building. Here we can see that the school building has been started by another funding pero hindi po siya natapos. So ang included sa program of works natin is this is the structural system dito sa roof beam hanggang sa may roofing system. May toilet din po na ilalagay sa likod. Tapos finishing works, plastering, windows and doors, and other facility for the school. Next project is the Baroro. 23A0085, repair rehabilitation of one-story, two classroom school building at Baroro Elementary School. Bacnotan, La Union. The location at Barangay Baroro, Bacnotan, La Union, with an appropriation of 5,635,648.16 centavos. The ABC as submitted is 5,607,469.92 pesos, with a duration of 120 calendar days. The scope of works for the first building will be the roofing work, ceiling work, and electrical work. Later, we will see the existing building, the site photographs. For building B, the construction of one-story to classroom, the scope of works will be earthwork, structural work, finishing work, or other civil works, electrical work, and mechanical work. All of the mechanical work items includes the fire extinguisher for the use of the school building. Site photographs. This is the first building, building A. Ito po mapapalitan po yung roofing system at saka yung truss po, at saka yung electrical works dito sa matatanggal na roofing, existing roofing. This is the actual site. Actual site na papalitan po natin. Yes, ma'am. Included din po yung electrical. Ito po yung itsura sa labas sa may corridor. So, hindi naman po siya damaged by the previous earthquake last year. Yung bagyo po na dinaanan po nung project nung school building since malapit po siya sa dagat. It seems to be the reason why na ganito yung roofing, yung ceiling at saka yung roof ng school building. For building B po, ito po yung site situation ng school building. Ito po yung total reconstruction. Hindi lang po na-picturean yung load pero bumagsak na po talaga yung ceiling. Bumagsak daw po during earthquake or the typhoon from the previous year. Kaya very unsafe na po siya for students kaya hindi na rin po siya pinapagamit. sinabi rin po ng principal na parang nakapag-file na po sila ng for condemnation dito sa building. Ito po yung building. Modified po yung magiging structure. Modified one-story, two classroom na school building. May CR din po sa likod. Kompleto rin po facilities. Including fire extinguisher. Next is yung 23AE0087, repair rehabilitation of two buildings, one-story 4 classroom and one-story 3 classroom school buildings at Rimos del Norte Elementary School, Luna, La Union. Project location is at Barangay Rimos del Norte, Luna, La Union. Appropriation of 7,020,859.31 pesos. As submitted is 6,985,922.86 pesos with a contract duration of 95 calendar days. Two buildings din po siya. Building A, construction of one-story 4 classroom school building. Earthwork, structural work, finishing work, or other civil work, electrical work, and mechanical work. For building B po is repair of one-story 3 classroom, roofing work, finishing work, other civil work, and electrical works. So this will be the building 1 for this school building. Ito po yung existing, bali kahoy po yung wall niya, tapos malapit din po sa dagat kaya nag-deteriorate na rin po yung roofing system po niya. Tapos yung structural system niya dun para sa roofing is wood. Kaya required po siyang magpalit din po ng truss system. Ito po yung tsura niya sa likod. May existing na CR po na papalitan po this funding. Ito po yung sa labas. Ito po yung isa lang palang picture yung na-provide dito sa building A. Ito po yung sa building B na ang papalitan lang po is yung sa ceiling works at saka roofing and electrical works. Ito po yung ito. And the last project will be 23AE0088, repair rehabilitation of one-story 2 classroom school building, Rimos Elementary School, Luna, La Union naman. The project location is at Barangay Rimos, Luna, La Union. Appropriation of 3,634,688.88 pesos. As submitted is 3,616,804.86 pesos. Duration of 85 calendar days. Scope of works is completion repair of one-story 2 classrooms. The scope is earthwork, structural work, finishing or other civil works, electrical work, mechanical work. Site photographs. Nagsaserve po as canteen classroom po itong school building na to. Dito sa first and second door. Canteen po siya pag recess, tapos classroom po siya after recess. Ito po yung itsura ng loob. Halos pabagsak na rin po yung suite ceiling. Ito po yung sa labas. That would be all. Thank you. Any questions?
The second agenda will be the requirements of bidding documents, the document to be submitted by the bidders, the criteria, procedure for the detailed evaluation, cost qualification, and our by engineer Sibayan.
Bibid contract. For 23AE0080, contract name, construction of two-story 4 classroom school building at Zaragosa Elementary School, Bacnotan, La Union. Location, Bacnotan, La Union. Source of fund, DepEd BEFF FY 2023. ABC as advertised 10 million 37,062.50 with a bid docs fee of 25,000. Contract duration 120 calendar days. These are the activity for the advertisement of invitation to bid from June 3, 2023 to June 9, 2023. Issuance of bidding documents from June 3, 2023 to June 7, 2023. Vivid conference June 14, 2023, receipt and opening of bids, June 27, 2023. The required pickup license for this contract is as follows. Size range is small b, license category C and D, largest single project less than or equal to 15 million, allowable range up to 30 million. Category of work, major category BICWO PLC, buildings construction without piles, low rise, concrete frame 1 to 5 stories. Minimum work experience requirements, one project manager with a related experience of 5 years and a minimum of 2 years, one project engineer with a related experience of 5 years and a minimum of 2 years, one materials engineer with a DBWH materials engineer accreditation, and one construction foreman with a related experience of 5 years and a minimum of 2 years. For major equipment, one backhoe, one dump truck, one plate compactor, one concrete vibrator, one concrete, one bar cutter, one bar bender, two welding machine, one cutting outfit, one water pump, one water truck. For 23 AE 0081, construction of two-story for classroom school building at Onari National High School, Luna, La Union, with a ABC as advertised 10,037,062.50 with a bid box fee of 25,000. Contract duration 120 calendar days. Advertisement of invitation to bid is from June 3, 2023 to June 9, 2023. Issuance of bidding documents June 3, 2023 to June 7, 2023. Private conference June 14. Receipt and opening of bids June 27, 2023. The required pickup license for this contract is as follows. Size range is small b, license category C and D, largest single project less than or equal to 50 million, allowable range up to 30 million. Category of work, major category BICWO PLC, buildings construction without piles, low rise, concrete frame 1 to 5 stories. Minimum work experience requirement, one project manager with a 5 years and minimum of 2 years related experience, one project engineer with a maximum of 5 years and a minimum of 2 years related experience, one materials engineer with a DBWH materials engineer accreditation, one construction foreman with a 5 years and 2 years minimum related experience. For the minimum major equipment, one backhoe, one two dump truck, one plate compactor, one concrete vibrator, one concrete, one bar cutter, one bar bender, two welding machine, one cutting outfit, one water pump, one water truck. For 23 AE 0082, with an ABC as advertised, 13,614,488